So now we are going to show the second application, Web Financial Analysis, in which we will show the two important financial reports. We choose the language, English, and by typing the password and clicking the Accept button, we enter the application. So now in the sector analysis, we are going to show two important reports, finances and collection. The first one being the structure of the debit and the second one being the structure of collections. So first we start with finances, which is the first report. In the subsystem sector we choose households plus economy. For the time span we always choose the beginning till the end of 2007, which is the year we have data for. And we're going to show the reports with the most important part of it being the data structure. So first we are showing the type of booking and then we will show analytical type of booking. By clicking the button here and the report, we get the report for the type of booking we chosen. And here is the first one per type of booking, which gives us a bit more rough structure of the debit, with over 33 million of itemizations which were being proceeded. And what we are going to show now, and is important, is the part of a bit more finalized structure, which is type of analytical booking. With the report button, we again enter the report. Within a few seconds, the precise time is always given here. What we are going to show here now is again the report got from itemization of more than 33 million of itemizations. And we are going to show the proportion of the bills printed and the payments done. So the first one being over 8.5 million of bills printed with a final calculation, and the payments done were over 6.5 million payments collected, which is the cash payment collection. We're going to choose a single itemization to show you how we can see the entire debit approval of a consumer. So we are choosing this one with a debit approval over 77,000, and with a double click we are entering the consumer's card. Within a few seconds we will get, and then we will show the financial card of the consumer with the debit approval per types of bookings that we have chosen. We are looking for the itemization which will show the same amount of debit as we had in this part. So we're having the number of debit approval which is here, and by the double click on the consumer we will show the precise data for the consumer, but we can see also that the amount of the debit is the same in this itemization as it is in the debit approval we were looking for. With a double click we enter consumer's card, which we have already previously shown in web management sector. Beside from the data of the consumer, we are now most interested in financial card of the consumer. We choose year 2007, and we are going to see that the debit approval of this consumer is the same, which is over 77,000, as it is here in this sector and as it is in the general report we have given for the consumer wanted. What we are going to show now, we are getting back to the types of booking. And for this report, within a few seconds, we are going to show the energy record being compatible to the four itemization of the analytical types of booking. So we're looking at the itemization energy regular per record with this amount, which is by the clicking on this shown here unless you clean the choice. So always by a single clicking on the number, you shall get the number wanted. So the number we are looking for is this one, and in the analytical type of booking, with again report button, we get the report for 4 itemizations whose collection would then, with the code 16, which is the code itemization shown, the total number of these shall be the same as the itemization 16 in the report presented with the types of booking, which is the one that is here. So what we were talking about is these 4 with their amount of debit, which is compatible to the total score of itemization 16 in the one given here, which we can see in the number given here. So this number is the total score of the 4 itemization we presented in the previous report with the code 16, which are these ones. The ones we were having. That would be for the financial reports. What we are going to show now is the collection report, which deals with the structure of the collection and cash payments and payments in general. We are again choosing the subsystem households plus economy for the time span of the 1st of January 2007 till the end of 2007. And here again, with the data structure per types of bookings, we get a bit more rough presentation of the data for the total itemization of the number given here, and a bit more fine presentation with the analytical type of booking, which we again get here. So this report would be the same procedure as the report we have presented before, just the results given shall be considered as the opposites to the finances we have shown. With clicking the exit button, you leave the entire application.